Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to the channel, get new and interesting videos. Please write, like, comments. Let's go. Latest gadget videos. Tick bike. Tick bike can now be folded easily, divide into small pieces and take another wheel. It can be easy inside and private car and microbus. It can be easily carried over the house. The bike is very easy to fold. It is comfortable. It comes in different models. It reviews powers is within human race. Red, black, white come in different colors. The big bike for small space. Alex Animals has later are invent the wheeler. Tick bike folder smaller than any other full-size bicycle. Launching and kickstart soon. Tick bike. Tick bike get throw another and park and see how it handling the pump, jump and kiss. Tick bike is full-size bike that fold under and decks in the trunk of small car, on the train or in your travel on our overpiece amount invent by intention in the man. Tick bike is very nice and useful is tick bike. Sample board. Sample board suitable for playing sample board. Everyone on this board can play. People of all ages easily playing, not too big in size. It can be playing indoor and outdoors. This game can be done very easily. It can be used to play Ludo, Carrom board and chess. Everyone easy playing interesting board games. The chess board, digital board game let your digitalized games to share within the sample board communities. Download game you want to play for the community too. With managed connected board, it works in 3 interesting size with 1, 2 or 4 plant. Play games by yourself, your people is person or with friend online. Choose to use the on-screen game, piece or real, physically owns. Simple step wherever you want to by saving your last playing position. Easy to carry. The digital board game is sure to own less place. Cyber Shoes VR. Welcome to various ad, where I take a look at some of the worst virtual reality device over the course of history. Today will be function of the virtual shoes and mobile home size elective to something like and more same bulky up throat. This is about to get at I choose out a new way to move in virtual reality. Cyber shoes. You sit on a 360 shape chair and use plastic shoes with step to your feet that track with new moment is real time. I was surprised how well the expert sticks up against expert VR timing some and omens. Cyber shoes will be last. Cyber shoes is very interesting gaming pop. BioLite headlamp. BioLite headlamp, the new BioLite headlamp 750 in a super bright, resetable, waterproof head touch with run forever pace. Throw power and an Intel confirmed fit. In the review, I confirmed is the Bio headlamp 202 FE real world text. Very things you need to learn how to use your reusable headlamp 2200. Notes this video perfectly conduct flashing and shooting light.